Here is a question on general organic chemistry. Read the question carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Resonating structures, resonance structures, must have the same molecular formula, the same connectivity of atoms, same sigma framework, the same net charge, and differ only in the distribution of electrons, pi electrons and lone pairs. Moving on to the next step. Identify what resonating structures must satisfy. Same atoms bonded in the same order, same connectivity skeleton. Same total number of electrons. Same net charge. Only pi electrons and lone pairs are redistributed. Moving on to the next step. Analyze option B. First structure, HO plus is equal to C is equal to N dash. Connectivity, HOCN, O has a positive formal charge, N has a negative formal charge, net charge is equal to 0. O is double bonded to C, C is double bonded to N, cumulated double bonds. Second structure, HOCN. Connectivity, HOCN, O has lone pairs, neutral, N has a lone pair, neutral, net charge is equal to 0. O is single bonded to C, C is triple bonded to N. Both structures have the same atomic connectivity, HOCN, same molecular formula, same net charge, 0, and differ only in the distribution of pi electrons and lone pairs. This satisfies all criteria for resonance structures. And for the final step, analyze why other options fail. A. First structure, HCN plus O dash, connectivity is HCNO. Second structure, HOCN, connectivity is HOCN. The atomic connectivity is different, H is attached to C in one, to O in the other, so these are not resonance structures but constitutional isomers. C. First structure, HCN plus O dash, connectivity HCNO. Second structure, HC, is equal to O, N, connectivity HC, O, N, with O double bonded to C and N attached to C. The connectivity differs from the first structure, so not resonance structures. D. First structure, HOCN, dash, connectivity HOCN. Second structure, HN is equal to C is equal to O, connectivity HNCO, different atomic connectivity, H attached to O versus H attached to N, so these are not resonance structures. Conclusion. Only option B presents to structures with identical atomic connectivity, HOCN, same net charge, and electron redistribution only, making them valid resonating structures. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.